Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. So if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful turban like AZIZ. For tying this turban, you need 4 meters of turban. Okay, I'm using the green color. You guys can use any of color according to your choice. Okay, so let's begin to the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.